Hey, just talking, and welcome back to another vlog, girl. We are just picking up where we left off. As you know, in the last vlog, I purchased some bundles from the TikTok shop. So I did say that I wanted to dye them jet black. So we are getting ready to head into Hot Beauty and get some hair dye. So let's head inside. Hey girl, just got me a shower, girl. The gym or your girl ass, but I do feel good. I must say, I feel good. Gotta show up on myself. Anyway, let's put some lip gloss on. I don't want to look too raggedy. Even though I'm at home, I'm in my four walls, I can look how I want to look. But I do realize, you know, when I just put some earrings on and some lip gloss, do my skincare, I do feel better about myself. So we're just gonna put some earrings on. I would have definitely rather had gold earrings. Girl, it's time for me to buy some earrings. I'm just gonna refresh this ponytail. I'm gonna keep it in a ponytail because, babe, when I tell you it's time to take this quick weave down, it's time to take it down. But that's not today's task. Today's task is coloring our bundles. So that's what we're going to do. I am gonna do the watercolor method. And I really wanna make sure that I penetrate all the way through the bundles, because sometimes I don't. So yeah, I'm just refreshing my little edges. Girl, that's good enough. That's good enough, because I ain't got that much edge control left, and baby, I need what I got that is left for this week. Okay, and we was just at the hair store. I could have picked some up then. Should have, but I forgot. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Okay, girl. We look like something a little bit. Ponytail. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows because I'm cute. To dye these bundles, do some laundry, all the things. So let's do it. I'm tired. I'm tired. But I just want to come back and give y'all an update. I did wash and dye the hair and put it back in the size package that it came in. So this is the 18-inch, the 20 and the 22, the 20 boom. Yeah. So the hair is black. Tomorrow I have class. It's my long day, so it's given I should have took my hair down tonight and washed it. Cause how I'm gonna take it down and wash it tomorrow? I'm not. I need to go on her site and make sure that I'm not supposed to come washed and blow dry, but I'm pretty sure that she will wash my hair for me. But I need to double check, because if that's the case, that means I'm gonna have to take my hair down when I get out of class tomorrow. Girl, it just is what it is, because when I tell you I ain't got time, I do not got time. But I know I'm gonna get my hair done. Oh wait, I get my hair done Thursday. Oh, okay, so I will have, girl, see? I will have time to take my hair down. So I'll just take it down tomorrow after Bible study. It's gonna be a long day tomorrow, bro. But anyway, I just want to give y'all an update on the hair. It did color. It's black. So Thursday I'll take my hair down. Wednesday I'm gonna take my hair down and color my leave out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm trying to stay up and finish studying, which I've done a good bit of it, like for real. But I did tonight. I made something so good and so quick and easy, girl. Let me show you what I did. When I don't feel like cooking, baby, you better know I'm gonna come up with a quick meal. I'm gonna come up with something quick. So tonight we had pulled pork nachos. Brand that I use, this is the Members Mark pulled pork. Use the Sam's Members Mark smoked pulled pork. And I just followed the instructions on the box, baby. It said put 1/4 cup of water in a pan and seal it tightly with aluminum foil and bake it in the oven on 350 for about 50 minutes. So that's what I did. And then I added barbecue sauce to it, and I plated it with tortilla chips, the pulled pork. I did queso cheese and a little bit of extra barbecue and some jalapeno peppers on top, baby. 10 out of 10. These are the peppers that I used, and it's the queso that I used. You can use any white queso, but girl, I got all this from Sam's. Yeah. Oh, and then so that's what we had for dinner. So quick, so easy. If you're looking for something to make quick, especially during the summertime, you got children or a kid and you like, maybe this and then leftover meat, guess what it can be? Pulled pork sandwiches. You could do it on Texas toast. You could put it on buns. Yeah, make multiple meals out of that one. And so anyway, a new drink that I have been hyper fixated on is these Fresca's sparkling soda water. Now, the first time I ever had one of these was at one of our women's conference nights. They had like the mini cans. So I just been buying these. First of all, 0 calories. Now it's 35 milligrams of sodium, but it's like nothing. It's no sugar. Is it sugar? And it's caffeine free. It's a sparkling soda water. Baby, you can't tell me I ain't drinking no soda. yeah, get you some of these. Make sure you put them in the refrigerator or put them in the fridge. I like to put mine in the freezer for just a little while to get real crisp. Baby, if you want that throat to be tore up, oh yes. So that was dinner. Quick and easy. I ain't got time. So yeah, I didn't vlog that much today because, you know, but yeah, I will. Let me see. Am I gonna vlog tomorrow? Probably not, but we'll see. If anything else happens tonight, I'll be back. But if not, I would definitely catch y'all Wednesday. We got to upload this vlog Wednesday, so it might be a little short, but you know.